Take a ride in the 2020 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 600 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, daytime running lights, driver illuminated vanity mirror, privacy glass, fog lamps. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.